Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around. Lights turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Watching as you softly sleep, would I give if I could keep just this moment? If only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years won't make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day.
And we follow his direction, even though life is short. We'll share forever in salvation through this life just spreading our streams. He knows us even better than we ever
Rin po natin na lahat.
and we follow his direction, even though life is short. We'll share forever in salvation through this life and beyond. We will let His will.
You set my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away.
Now I'm thankful every day.
Na ang prinsipyo ng Diyos pagdating sa kasalan, it is just between man and a woman. Babae po at saka lalaki.
Kayla, tinatanggap mo ba si Anthony na maging iyong asawa at kakasamahin na ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos? Siya ba iyong mamahalin, kaibigayahin, paglilingkuran, igagalang, at tuwing isamahan sa hirap at ginhawa? Ilalaan mo ba ang iyong sarili para sa kanya lamang mula ngayon at habang buhay? Ay bago po yung singsing ay mabibigay mo na ako ng konting explanation o sa ang singsing ay tanda ng pagmamahal. Pagmamahal ng Diyos na walang hanggan. Matigil na natin ang singsing na ito ay walang punot-dulo. Ito ay naglarawan ng pagmamahal na inialay ng ating Panginoon Jesucristo sa bundok ng Kalbaryo. Siya ay namatay sa ating mga kasalanan. At ito ay ginawa ng Panginoong Diyos hindi lamang sa akin, hindi lamang sa kanila, kundi ang kanyang kamatayan ay ginawa niya para sa ating lahat. Nino, nasa kagaling din si Anthony, itutuloy hanggang sa kasal. Pwede bang tumayo yung mga ninong at ninang?
Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment,
Kay sagot sa aking panalangin, kay tagal ko nang hinihiling, kaya ikaw ay iibigin, habang buhay ay mamahalin. Sa iyo ako'y magpapasakop, handa laging sa iyo ay Nakawin na tanging ako sa Panginoon Jesucristo. Sa Panginoon Ikaw ang siyang kaloob sa akin, sagot sa akin.
I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true
Ano kayo? Maarapin. Pagkaroon mo po. Atay, ganun din po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Dearly beloved, families and friends, may we present to you Mr. and Mrs. Anthony and Myla Ratadas. Doon mo na yan si Myla.
this moment. As long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give.
Sabi niya nila, love is a choice. Kaya may forever. Alam ko kaya niya, nandito kami, dito sila pastor, daming nagdasal sa inyo, hindi ko na sila mabanggit. Kasi alam ko, gutom na tayo pare-parehas. Again, congratulations, just like kinakadalaman. Ang ganda gawin nila.
Thank you po, Mayor.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, is better every day. You've kissed my tears